All right, guys, we're doing David Lanz today, The Birds of Carpi. This is the 43rd hired request. Listen to it on YouTube. It's a rare recording. David Lanz, The Birds of Carpi, C-A-R-P-I. Take a listen to the beginning here. Beautiful, isn't it? And the whole thing is like that. Hello, I'm Shawn, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I have over 5,000 lessons I've done in the past 12 years now on there. Even if you are a complete beginner and need, maybe a refresher or just to get used to my method here of playing by ear, I have 79 beginner lessons, really get you started. But let's get going here with this part 1. It really is an improvisation. You can really tell an improvisation, it really doesn't ever have any repeats. It just keeps going. And beautiful little thing, if you need something to play that just sounds awesome and just kind of flows, and this is the piece, this is the song. So take a listen to it on YouTube and let's get going. We're going to start way up here with the right hand, and middle C's here, next C, next C, and we're going to go to the double bar. Now this thing tends to go in breaths. You just have you take a big breath and you blow out, and then that's how far you go. And then you take another breath, and then there's another flurry of notes, and there's no really time signature to it. Just kind of flows. I've tried to put bar lines to divide up the different breaths and phrases that are in it, but it's very well improvised, composed. So A way up here in the right hand, left hand B, F sharp, G, right in this area. Okay, here's middle C, so I'm right here, right, left, left, left. Then the right hand does B, D, F sharp, E, and you can hold the pedal for all of that. And the next little part, A on the right hand, and C sharp, D on the left. I can't see him playing it, so I don't know which hand he's using because it's close together, close proximity. So I'm just guessing at how I would do it. So you can change that if you want. You can do some of the right hand notes with the left hand or vice versa. But right hand A, left hand C sharp D, right hand B, E, D, A, left hand B. So B, D in the left, then right hand G, D, A, B. Left hand G, B, right hand G, B, A. So from the beginning, slow. Now you don't want to play it robotically like that. You can learn it that way and then just let it flow. Boom. Okay, and you can listen to the David play it on YouTube to get the exact timing of things if you want to play it exactly like he does. So right there, D, G, F sharp, B, A, D, so ba, 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 ba. Left hand is E, B. So that's where the left hand goes down just for a while to hear, okay? So from the beginning, right? So there we go with our part 1, and the whole thing is like that, just full of little neat cascading waterfall type sounding things, just very reflective, as if you were just daydreaming, So very effective improvisation. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1, as I always enjoy teaching you guys. Talk to you later.